Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Xabungle model kit from Moderoid, and this is the 1/100 scale type. And it's my first ever scaled model kit from Moderoid that is in 1/100. Aside from the Titanomaquia model kit from Moderoid, which is 1/48 scale. So this is their 1/100, the first ever. So I'm not sure if they have also other 1/100 scale aside from the this one, the Xabungle. But as far as I know, this is the first ever. Okay, so I'm very surprised that Xabungle model or the Xabungle Mecha in 1/100 scale is not that big. I was thinking that this kit is around 21 centimeters or 23 centimeters in height if in 1/100 scale, but this is just the same with the average UC model kits from Bandai that is in 1/100 scale. So let's compare it with the RX-78 Gundam that I have here. So as you can see, they're about the same height, and RX-78 is seems a bit taller in head height compared with the Xabungle. So there, now we know that Xabungle is just about the same size with the RX-78. So there we go. So I was fascinated with this kit because I just watched before the Xabungle, but I didn't finish the series. And the model designs are really hilarious, even though it says it's a real robot genre. It's still hilarious. Okay, so I got here the other walkers from Bandai, which is the Caprico type here. Is also in 1/100 scale. So there we go, we got the Caprico type model kit from Bandai, and there we go, we got to see that this Caprico type is also with the same height of the Xabungle. So there, let's put RX-78 beside them. So it's a very funny real robot design here, and there, I will still fix this kit and do some modification later on. So Caprico type and RX-78 you need to set aside here. Okay. So there we got to see this Xabungle Mecha here, and the plastic quality of this Moderoid version is really nice. It's not the same with the early releases of the Moderoid, where the plastic is a bit brittle and have some annoying seam lines, but this one doesn't have any. And as far as I know, some of the parts here are undergated in the knobs, so nub marks are not that visible from this kit, except on the back we can see some nub marks there, but most of it are undergated. So the only problem I encountered with this kit is it has this very loose torso joint, so it keeps on doing this kind of ab crunch. So there, it's very loose. And armaments included with this kit are the following. We got this rifle here that is attached there on the forearm, and we got here the side bazooka. So there, it's attached here, and I have it change, or I changed the hand into the Dolin Decal hands there, and it's very nice here. We got here this kind of funny looking rocket launchers. The scopes are also moving just like that. Okay. And here on the shoulder we got the type of missile hatches there, missile launchers or spray missile pieces here. It's a rocket propelled I don't know how this thing called. And here we got this kind of artillery cannon attached on the right one. Okay. So this is the full pack or fully armed Xabungle kit here, which is very nice. I really like the concept for this kit. Okay, so we'll not review about the transformation, although this kit transform. So it transform into two kinds of jets or ship. So the first half is this one and the other half is this. And there we got cockpits attached there. Also we got cockpits, and we got cockpits here also on the head. And I will not do the transformation sequence on this one, since I really don't like transforming kits, because as you can see, transforming kits very often will make the kit lose their joints integrity. So I refrain from doing that unless you want to display it in the ship modes. You may do so, but I much like displaying it in the mobile suit form. Okay. So articulation is really okay for me. So there we got ab or torso rotation like that, ab crunch like that. The head also rotates. So just be careful with this red pieces here. It's really fragile here. So the head can rotate, but not that much. It's a minimal rotation. Then the legs can kick forward. I know there's no there's the front skirt here. So the front skirt can move like that and give way for kicking pose like that. So it's not that much. So kicking backward up to this far, and the knees can bend. Oops, it's like a double jointed also like that. And there. Be careful when playing Moderoid kits, because Moderoid tends to lose their joint integrity whenever you play. So that's why I don't like playing Moderoid kits. So losing the integrity of Moderoid joints is very troublesome, because you need to reinforce all those pegs and sockets that lose in the long run. So there we go. This feet can move side to side like that. So this one is really loose now. This one is a bit tight. So joint integrity is not nice now here. So there we can do some plantar flex and extend, and then these armors can also move like that. So there we go. We got this very nice looking Moderoid XABUNGLE 1/100 scale kit. So let's compare it with the other Moderoid that I have here. So I got here this non-scale model, which I just recently modified and fixed the joints, especially the shoulder joint and the knee joint here, which is the Leo de Gallon. So Leo de Gallon here is a non-scale, so it's still it's a bit taller than the Moderoid XABUNGLE. It is about 22 centimeters. And let's compare it with the 148 scale Koto Bukiya broken blade Delphin here. So we got here this Delphin, and Delphin's really small, even though it's a 148 scale. It's still small compared with the 100 scale Moderoid. And let's compare it with I think this one is 124 scale Bandai model for the Sin Duality. So the Sin Duality Daisy Ogre. There, we got the Daisy Ogre. And let's compare it with the 1/400 scale Godzilla model kit from Aoshima. And there we go. Godzilla is seems to be short looking compared with this guy here, because this is a 1/400 scale. If you made this 1/100 scale, it should be like this. It's very it's now taller like that. So thank you so much for watching this review of my XABUNGLE Moderoid model kit from Good Smile Company. See you next time. Bye-bye. Cooks. Babay ka na, Cooks. Wow, ito. Ingat, ingat. Bye-bye.